Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect StarTrader to MetaTrader 5. First thing I want you to do is launch up MetaTrader 5, and then I want you to come to the top left, click on File, click here on Open an Account, and then here I want you to just go ahead and search for StarTrader. So we'll go ahead and type that in, click here on Find Your Company, press Enter on your keyboard, and then what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and click on this one, StarTrader Financial Markets Limited. This one, StarTrader Financial. Click here on Next. And then here you can either open a demo account from this section. You can go ahead and open a real account for live trading, or you can connect with an existing trade account you created through the website. They have different options here for the server. Now the login credentials will automatically be sent to your email address once you create your account. So just go ahead and copy and paste the login, the password, choose the correct server, and then I want you to just go ahead and click here on finish and you'll be connected. It'll be that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.